All right, anyway, I wanted to make a video of our Airbnb here in Brașov. I am totally disappointed in myself because we just left Bucharest and we stayed there for a week and I totally forgot to make a video of there, which wouldn't be such a big deal, except I wanted to say how relieved I am to be here after being there. Not that it was bad. This place is just better. I can already tell we're going to be more comfortable here. But just inside the door here is a classic European IKEA type storage, which we've just shoved everything in here so we can make this video real quick. But I'm gonna head straight into the kitchen. With the kitchen also comes the fridge, hot water heater, ironing board area back there, which I'll get to in a sec. But yeah, looks like we've got a stove, microwave, coffee maker. What else could you need, I guess? The stove there has the flip up burners on the top, and then the plates and cooking ware and things of that nature are here. I just went through as a decent selection. Looks like some little snacks they've left for us, cutting board. And then here's some more storage. There's actually a lot of storage in this place, which I appreciate. I've seen several radiators throughout this place, which is great because the last place we were in, the radiators didn't work as well. I'll shut up about that last place. Sorry about that. But here's a view out of this first window here. And then coming into the fridge, hot water heater area, as I was referencing, they did leave us a couple of sodas and some waters, which is always nice. There's a nice size freezer there as well, so you can maybe go to the grocery store once if you're staying for a week or two and just stock up and have everything. But yeah, here's just this little back corner area, a little mop and stuff for you to clean up a bit if you make a little bit of a mess. Yeah, there's that table. I kind of covered that walking back through. I can appreciate there's outlets everywhere here. That's really great. Yeah, so moving into the bathroom, bedroom, living area, there's a very compact whirlpool pool washer here, which is awesome. And then I saw in the corner there's a drying rack just hiding as well, so should be able to knock out your laundry pretty good. The Wi-Fi is there as well, and the password's underneath, so you can just come in and log in and get to your social networking or your business or whatever. I'm not sure of the speeds yet, but here's the bathroom. Let's cover that real quick. Very clean bathroom, actually. I'm incredibly surprised and or happy to see a bathtub. You generally don't see bathtubs. There's just usually the little corner unit in this portion of Eastern Europe. But yeah, very clean tub. You've got your curtain here so you can throw on the shower, or you can soak in a nice warm bath. Nice little vanity area here. Very clean sink and little storage area there. Another radiator to keep you warm in here as you're bathing. I did look in there. There was just some toilet paper and stuff. I find this incredibly interesting. Rachel and I have never ever seen this anywhere in the world. I don't know who came up with this, but they definitely scored some points that day. So here is the regular toilet seat, and then here's a children's toilet seat. That is freaking cool. All right, moving on. The living, sleeping area here. This is, you can tell there must have been doors in separating the kitchen and this living room, which they've taken them off and opened it up, which is nice because they've just got the hinges along the side there. So yeah, that's nice. That really opened it up in here. I believe at the time we booked, this was a different couch, and they said that they weren't gonna have anything for us. And surprisingly, we showed up today, and he had purchased a new one. So that's awesome. Here's this nice big bed that we are both gonna enjoy very much, I'm assuming, here in the next week or so. Got your mirror over there so you can check yourself out when you roll out of bed in the morning and see how gorgeous you are if you got all that good beauty rest. Haven't flipped on the TV. I'm assuming there's going to be some, cables of some sort, probably some Romanian folk dancing and singing as they do here, which is great. So yeah, here's this little corner that I'm also very excited about. Rachel and I do a lot of tea and coffee, so I'm finding ourselves here a lot. Yeah, so just a little spot here with a big radiator. And then here's this view outside. See if I can pop this window and get us a view real quick. So here you go. Nice little view out of the window. Just wanted to show you guys this. video of our Airbnb real quick, get a little view out of the window. Thanks for checking us out. I'll put the link in the description for this stay. If you're interested, you can book. Um, I'm gonna also leave the link for what will be a credit upon sign up and booking. So this only applies to people who have never booked through Airbnb. But if you use the link, you'll get a credit. It varies from time to time, so I don't want to say specific value because I've noticed it shifts a few dollars now and then. But yeah, when you sign up through the link, you'll get a credit. I believe I also get a credit, so it's beneficial for both. I know it's kind of people are a little hesitant to do something like that, but if you're interested, check the link out. It's super legit. We've used it from other people, and other people have used it from us, and the credits have gone through. It's been super easy, no issues with that. So like I said, if you're interested, the link will be in the description. And if not, if you know anybody else whom uses Airbnb, like a friend of yours, ask them for their code. Then your friend and you will get some credit. So that's something to know as well. But anyway, thanks again for watching, and thanks for checking us out.